This one sentence can quietly hurt your image at work. When someone asks you to take on a task and you reply, "I can't do this right now." It sounds honest, but to others, it can come across as negative. So what's a smarter way to say the same thing? Instead of "I can't," try saying, "I don't have the bandwidth right now." Or keep it simple and say, "I'm currently tied up." And if you want to sound more professional, say, "I wouldn't be able to give this the attention it needs." Same message, better words, a more professional impression.